mad scientist. Ooh. Guys, do you think Parker should open the box? Yes, let's get Parker to whiz open the box.
Yeah!
Oh yeah! A Spinosaurus! Wow! Parker actually really did it!
Awesome!
Good job, Parker! Let's get the instructions.
Yes!
Which one shall we do first? Snot, eyeballs, and pulse.
What?
Snotty snot
No.
and eyeballs. Make it one or make it vicious. Which one shall we choose, guys? I'm going to be doing how to mold a hat.
Okay.
And I'm going to be doing I'm making Grace and Bogey. Let's get started!
Yeah!
Let me put my goggles on. Ooh, ouch! Put it in there.
Yes!
Gotcha! Let's get mixing! Leave the bogies for 5 minutes. Tick-tock! Let's get started with the hat. Just need to open this clip. Come on! It's real stretchy lemon nose. But you didn't know that was fake. So girls, we need to put the clay into the mold. Now we got an even layer, we can start with the vowels.
Okay. Cool.
You get the blue and push it in. Make sure you push it in hard, guys. You like my new nose, guys? Yeah, guess we didn't. Now let it sit.
Awesome!
Bogies are ready! Ooh, the bogies are ready! Ooh, bogies! Come on! The music's later.
Okay.
Let's make our eyeballs. First, we're going to put these black balls inside the cases. And now we're going to put in the blue crystals. First, we're going to put the blue crystals in each of these eyeballs.
Yes!
Now, let's add the white. Make sure you fill it just beyond the funnel.
Okay.
Now we're going to push the crystals down with this stick. Now let's put the crazy eyeballs in the water. Now we have to wait for 3 whole minutes. I know, guys, I'm itching too. Oh no, my nose is itchy. Parker, do you have a tissue?
Yes!
Yeah. Ha ha! Ew!
What?
Disgusting maggot! Look at me! Ha ha! Gotcha! Let's get back to the hut. Now let's pop it out. Pop, pop, pop. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Ooh la la. Now, guys, it's time for the blood. Now let's pop the blue on. Steady hand, guys, steady hand. Look how real it looks. Doesn't it look real?
Yes!
Check it. There's a pulse, guys. If you don't know what a real heart looks like, then search it on the internet. Now it's been 3 whole minutes. Time to take them out with these tweezers. Time to pull them open. Amazeballs! We're trying to make them look like real eyeballs. Time to put the veins on it. Again, steady hand, guys. And now you add the mad eyeballs. And to watching, bye-bye. Silly Parker, we all have to say it. Thanks for watching, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye. Bye. Say goodbye. September, we'll be back on the birthday. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Oh wait, she subscribed.